Stepping inside, you'll notice tall ceilings, exposed concrete, warm woods, and oversized windows with lots of natural sunlight. Unit 411 offers a clean, modern design and an open, inviting floor plan. Heading towards the full bath, we walk past the in-unit washer and dryer. The kitchen has solid stone countertops and stainless steel appliances, including a gas stove. And you'll also notice a raised seating breakfast bar, which is integrated with the light-filled living space, offering the ideal flow for quiet enjoyment or casual entertaining. Here we have a spacious office alcove which features a built-in redwood desk, wall-to-wall shelves, and an extra bed, perfect for guests. And here is a large master bedroom which also includes a walk-in closet. And here again is a living space where you'll be able to play some board games with some friends or maybe just enjoy some quiet time. And lastly, we have the balcony. The home offers access to a spectacular rooftop deck with panoramic views and a built-in barbecue, a great place to read, cook, or entertain. This property also includes secure car or bike parking, storage, access controlled entry, and packaged lockers. This property is walking distance away from Jack London Square. It's easy access to shops, restaurants, the ferry terminal, BART, and I-880.